Oh, Omega, lol. Tell me when you find another one. Keep looking.
I could just like tape, not my eye, but like tape things on the side. You know what I mean? Like tape it like a piece of paper or something.
Tape a piece of paper.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. What does he have?
Nah.
Here. We're so dead.
We need to find you a suppressor.
I know. Hopefully it's a sniper suppressor.
Oh shit, I didn't think about that.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh, guy close. Right in front of us. Other side of the building.
In the building? What? You jumped out.
Where the fuck I am?
Round front.
Yeah. Holy, I had to hit him like 17 times.
If push comes to shove, I can use this arm, right?
No, it's only me that
There's a
can
guy
kill
in this
people.
bush. No
Holy
suppressor.
fuck, he's got a lot of meds.
Keep running. He's below us. Want me to hit him?
No, I got him, hold on, I got it
You
handled.
sure? Are you sure?
Yeah. I got it handled, don't worry.
Okay. He's that peeking.
Hey, Shroud! Fuck yeah!
Got him or no?
Yeah.
Good. Alright.
Holy
This
fuck.
guy doesn't have a sniper suppressor though.
Yeah,
This wasn't
no.
the guy. That's the guy.
Okay, I'm healing.
I'm shooting him in the... I hit him. Alright, I hit him. Go get him.
Where is he?
He's in the blue northeast
Oh, I
55.
see him,
He's
I see
hit.
him, I see him.
He's got to heal.
I'm going in loud.
Okay. Right above this rock. Peek me. Yes. Yes, Mike.
Okay. We're good. He's got 2 suppressors. What do we do?
What?
Oh, you're insane.
He was chasing someone.
Cloth and tape. Do you have a tie? Lol. Never owned a tie in my life.
I have a tie. I see the guy higher.
Poke your eye out. Nice. Good one. A napkin?
Oh, I see this guy. I'm taking him out the game. 2 guys. Fuck. 2 of them are coming out.
Yeah, we'll just get to the zone and we can fuck them.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Right in their little...
I have to
glutes.
swap the suppressors though, like the sniper suppressor. Fuck.
Oh, just keep bombing.
I know, but like, I have the 4 times the. Ah, you're right. You're always right.
I know.
Oh, they're about to get fucked on. Taking the ridge. I missed. Coming over to you.
Oh, I hit him like fucking 3 times. What's up, bitch?
That guy's down.
That guy's so low. I got him.
I'm low.
Was he the close one or the far one?
Far
One's a
one.
little scary, but you could probably still get it.
I can get it. Hopefully his boosters though.
Did you hear me shoot?
Yeah. No.
Nice.
Where the fuck
Yeah,
I
no.
am?
I should have grabbed that other 8 times, but whatever.
Oh my god, he's right in front of me. Oh,
I can't help you.
shit.
Just back up to us. We have the zone. Oh no. Is that a you?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you back?
Nope.
Fuck. Nice. Oh,
Okay, he was alone.
I see him. This close rock. 2 of them, I think. One's down.
Ow, dude.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm moving
me.
right.
Where the fuck I am?
They're
Swag.
not in, I don't think.
Yeah, well, that guy's fucking down like a clown. Charlie Brown. In Funky Town. How does that miss? I hit his backpack. Okay. Yeah.
In a place.
Down. Reloading.
GG.
Guy's healing at the rock.
Wait, the rock where he's downed at? Oh shit.
No. Wait, what? I thought he was at. He's
I
spamming
don't-
meds at the big rock. Big rock, I think. Yeah, big rock. Big rock spamming meds. Literally spamming meds at the big rock. 100%.
Okay.